Hey girl, what's up?
Hey love, quick question. What hair should I bring for my appointment?
ProGrip, always. It's already pre-rinsed, so no smell, itchy scalp, or extra steps. And it doesn't tangle at all. I don't have to fight the hair. It's soft but it grips, and honestly, my hands get a break using this hair. It just glides down as I braid. So your hairstyle will definitely last longer.
Okay, I'll pick up ProGrip. See you soon.
I am loving this style. My scalp feels good, and the braids are light.
Made for pros, loved by clients.
Yes. Are we taking the jacket off?
Oh, that's your skirt. I don't know what to say. Girl, we just vibe it out.
Action.
It's already pre-rinsed, so no itches.
Yes, girl. Action.
What was the line again?
You ain't get no program? I'm coming close. Walk out.